Good to go.
This is the second amp for the S10 from Down4Sound. Hopefully they sent me the right one. It's supposed to be purple to match the 34 AB. Let's see what we got. I was going to run my Rockford, and then I figured out that I would be running it at 1 ohm, and I don't want to kill my original Rockford amp. So this was the cheapest way to run sub. I don't need an amp this big until I get better subs.
I want to fold back.
At least 2 of them.
Oh, they sent you shirts. 2 shirts.
This shirt is the design for the JP23. And this shirt belongs to Garrett Crosby.
That's awesome.
And the speaker on the sleeve.
Yep.
And that's the back.
In the back.
It's so cool, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Got a wheel and everything.
I love the logo. This is the Class AB Isn't Dead purple shirt.
Got Down4Sound on the front. Yep.
Down4Sound on the sleeve.
Yep.
And then him hugging it and saying, Class AB ain't dead.
Yep.
Then,
That's very true.
what's that say?
Lowest price guaranteed.
Yeah, they've got all brands, killer pricing.
It's crazy how much you can get this amp for. Oh, you got the nice bass knob.
I got this, I think it's purple.
It is purple. It should be. I think it is. It's supposed to match the amp. Ooh, sucker for me.
What the heck?
Is
this bigger than the other one?
Yeah.
Like, give me the phone for a second. No, don't pause it.
I didn't.
Here. Isn't that heavier?
That's definitely heavier.
I feel like that's way heavier than the AB amp, and it's supposed to be shorter.
I mean, it is a bass amp.
It's a Class D.
Crazy.
I didn't realize it was heavier than an AB. ABs are usually bigger. I figured bigger AB would be heavier.
No.
Oh, there's the rest of them.
Yeah,
I had
stickers.
Yeah,
Got blue ones.
blue and red. What we're going to do is I'm going to take this in red, this in white, this in blue, this in red, this in white, and then I was going to rotate letters, red, white, blue, make our own red, white, and blue sticker.
That's shipping stuff.
I bought this not on Black Friday. $34 1.5. It's $301. So it's pretty smoking.
Where'd you put your knife?
Over here.
Over there.
I got both of my amps for less than I paid for the Rockford back in 1995.
That's insane.
Isn't that crazy? And this amp is more than quadruple the power.
Yeah.
It's crazy how far we've come with our technology.
That is definitely bigger than the AB amp.
Read me first or not, but still, read me first. Oh yeah, the 1-out connections are no joke. I'll get to that.
All right then. Well, wait.
Girl, that thing is amazing. It's so much heavier. My S10 is going to be 4,000 pounds. So this has got your input, gain, low subsonic filter, bass boost, low pass filter from 35 to 2500. You can set this as a master, or you can set it as a slave, and then you can link them together. It's got 1-out input, power and ground, 8-gauge speaker outputs. It is mono, but it gives you 2 in case you got 2 subs to make it easy.
Yep.
But this is the best part.
That's a lot of stuff.
Nice cooling fan. 4 transducers. Show them that. JP23. 1.5. Do not eat.
That's a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably why it weighs so much.
Yeah.
There's a lot more stuff in that than...
Yeah, it's 2,300 watts.
2,300 watts on the box. It made,
It made
well over 3,000 at one.
It made 36 at half of them, I think. That's going to look good with that AB.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got
Cable.
wire. We got Allen's keys.
And spacers. Mine didn't come with any.
They're grommets for the feet. That's a nice cable too.
Yeah.
That's a 10. And
then right there.
okay. I don't know if this is purple or it's black. Gives you your wrench.
Yep.
To adjust the voltage.
On the knob.
You put that in there and you can adjust it to match.
That thing's nice.
It's like a little amplifier to match.
It does match, which is cool.
It matches the amp perfect. But it's got voltage, power, clip, temp, Celsius and Fahrenheit.
And it's dimmer than the
Yeah, this one's
last
dimmed
one.
25%, so it doesn't blind you.
The last one's crazy bright.
This is nice.
That is nice.
I like that. You're going to steal it and give me your old one.
Yep. Yeah. That color's awesome.
Yeah, it is. It's going to look really good. It's a shame I'm going to have to hide it with seats. I wish I could make an amp rack or something cool.
You could make like a waterproof one in the bed, but still you wouldn't see it. It's an awesome amp.
Yeah, it's going to look amazing. I wish I had the other amp up here.
I could go get it.
Yeah, get it real quick. Just hit pause. Okay, we're going to do a twofer. We're going to show you the 34 AB also. So we'll slide this back.
No, it might be smaller.
I think it's just a few inches shorter. Oh, it might be the exact same. 34AB is a Class AB 4-channel. Gets you Allen keys, but it does not come with a bass remote because it
ain't a bass amp.
Yeah, it's not a bass amp.
Oh, AB's longer.
That is beautiful.
They match perfectly.
Beautiful. Got your 34AB, 23. God, that looks too good to put in the truck. 34AB's got you input. Each channel goes across the top is channels 1 and 2. So you got gain, high pass frequency, 1 to 10 times. And you can turn it on and off. Low pass, 1 to 10 times, on and off. And then 3 and 4 is on the bottom. On this side, you got channel 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also bridgeable, power protect, clip light, 4-gauge input. I want to say this thing was rated at 134 watts, 4 ohm. And let's see. 134 watts, 4 ohm, 200 watts, 2 ohm, bridged, 500 watts. That's an overrate. It should be 400 watts, but it actually does do 500 watt dynamic. And then the JP23, if you guys want to see that, JP23. It's 2,000 watts at 12.4 volt, 1 ohm, 2,300 watts at 14.4, 1 ohm, 1,000 watts at 12.4, 2 ohm, 1,300 watts at 14.4, 2 ohm. These amps always make rated power, and they always make a substantial amount more. So this is the JP2315. Got your single cooling fan. Got 4 power supply. And this one's got 2. Got dual fans. This one actually cools from above the motherboard and on the other side of it. So both of these amps have cooling attached. So we will be spacing these out when we mount them. These are beautiful. Now the dilemma is, do you mount these beautiful things like this so you can see all the awesomeness and let it cool? Do you flip one over and run one awesomeness and one normal? And what would you do? Like, that looks good too. How would you do it? Of course, this one says, Class AB ain't dead. I like it. Alright guys, that's it for our unboxing.
Yep. It's gonna be awesome in the S10.
Gonna be amazing. Dang Twin Turbo S10. I'm gonna do a cutout also. Like I originally had an S10, I had 410s cut out through the bed. With the roll cage, I don't have room to do that, but I do have room to make a new box and do a cutout for 2. So I'm going to run dual, probably going to be in the Scar SV10 dual 4 ohm, and that will get the amp down to a 1 ohm load, 2,300 watts at 14.4. And I'm also running 3 12 volt batteries, and they're probably going to end up being 1,000 cranking amps each. The alternator will charge it fine. It's just a car stereo thing. I've already got them in there for weight. Now I'm just going to utilize them for their power. So should sound redonkulous. Later.